Taking a look at these Jorgensen Cabinet Master clamps. Now, this is what I imagine I was getting. These are nice, actually lightweight clamps. But when I got these are monsters. This has got some serious clamping capability. So these, if you get this in the right position, you can pull this back. And then, you know, once you pull it back like that, it engages with the rail, and then you can start clamping, and it's got some serious clamping force. They're also quite heavy. This is actually part of a whole system where you can actually join these together in you know, end to end. You can connect them like this at 90 degrees. And once you get into this system, you've got all kinds of options. Now they have these things which are called glue separators, and they go on like that. Once this lever comes back, it's going to grip onto the bar, and as soon as you start to tighten this up, that's going to apply force to this. So let's just put a little bit of clamping force on this, and let's see how secure this is. Now I'm tightening this with some good amount of force. If you want to release it, easy to release actually. Finding out here, if you pull this out a little bit, it's quite easy to slide this up and down. The Jorgensen Cabinet Master clamps.